Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I really hope the lighting isn't too off. I'm in a different corner of my room. I'm trying to switch it up again for you guys. So I hope you guys don't mind this background or the lighting or whatever. But for today's video, I wanted to try out and test out a recent foundation or a CC cream that I picked up. This isn't new to the market by any means, but it's definitely new to me. And the product that I'm going to the product that I'm going to test out for you guys today is the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Cream. This is a color correcting full coverage cream and anti-aging hydrating serum with SPF 50 and it's a broad spectrum physical sunscreen. So I have never tried this or tested it at all. I saw Casey Holmes raving about it recently in a few of her videos, and she even did like a vlog and she applied it and her skin looked great. So of course I had to go and pick it up. So this product comes 1.08 fluid ounces, which is like 0.08 more than you get in a typical foundation. And I'm just on the Ulta website just to get a little bit more information for you guys. So the price is $38, which is a lot more affordable than some of my higher end foundations. So I would say it's at a fair price point, at least in my opinion. And I'm just gonna read the claims that it says on the website. So it says it delivers 7 products all in one: full coverage foundation, SPF, a brightening color corrector, a hydrating anti-aging serum, a poreless finish primer, a dark spot concealer, and a moisturizing day cream. So we'll see just how true those claims are. So I'm going to basically just apply it to my face, show you guys what my initial reaction is, how I like it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the serum So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the CC cream to my face. Let me just make sure my window is closed because I hear birds chirping back. Okay, so the reason why I picked this up is because oh my god, there's a fly and it's driving me crazy. But the reason why I picked this up is because I'm almost done with my first A Beauty tinted moisturizer, and I kind of wanted to find something a little bit more full coverage and more glam, if you will. And then, like I said, I was intrigued by Casey Holmes' video, so I decided to pick that up. So let's see if I like it more than my first A Beauty tinted moisturizer. By the way, are we loving this hairband? I am. If you guys know any cute places I can find headbands besides Forever 21, let me know down in the comments because I need new ones, honey, but I hope you guys like my headbands. So what I'm going to do is I already applied my skincare on my face. I'm actually going to record a video probably today. So I'm not sure if that will be up before this video or after this video, but stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and like this video, as well as hit the bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I upload that video and my other future videos. But now let's get started. So I'm gonna go in with my favorite primer. I'm currently using the Guerlain Lore Primer. And I'm going to just apply that to my face. I'm basically giving this like a fair shot and using all of my normal products that I would to see if they work in my like foundation skincare routine, if that makes sense. So just applied my primer, and that was definitely very hydrating, which is why I like that primer. I used to really be into matte foundations and just looking with matte, but I've recently gotten into like dewy foundations and just looking more glowy. And the same applies for like my lipstick. I used to only use matte liquid lipsticks, and then recently in the past few months I've like completely like dumped them for lip gloss, and I don't know if I'll ever go back. But I'm just gonna let this soak, and it is still a little bit tacky, so we'll let that hang out. But while we wait for that, can you guys believe well, today it's a little bit warmer. I think it's like in the 70s. Yeah, it's 71 degrees. But these past few days, it's been like in the 60s. It's been trash weather, like nonstop rain. And the fall is slowly approaching us. And I gotta say, I'm pretty happy about it. At first, I was hesitant. I'm like, no, I don't want summer to end. And now that I got like a little glimpse of fall, I'm like, you're here to stay and I won't shoot. By the way, I know my nails look crazy. I'm actually gonna get them done later on. So stay tuned for prettier nails. And while I'm rambling and ranting, I think I found a drugstore or more affordable dupe for the Bath & Body Works Marshmallow Fireside. I think that's the name of it. Yeah, the Marshmallow Fireside candle. I'm currently burning a candle that I picked up at Target. I'm gonna actually do a product like close up so you guys can see. And I'm telling you, I'm pretty sure it's the exact same scent, but it's like way cheaper. So I think the full size is like $10, and I just got the small one to see if I like it or not, and like kind of test it out. So I will definitely put a product shot in the video so you guys can see. And now I think we're ready to apply our CC cream. So on the product packaging, I did see that it says a tip is to use as your full coverage foundation. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean skin using your favorite IT Cosmetics brush. And my favorite foundation brush does happen to be an IT Cosmetics brush. It is their 101 airbrush blurring foundation. So I'm just going to apply 2 pumps, which it like definitely dispenses a generous amount of foundation or product onto your hands. I'm just going in and using my fingers to apply it. I have sanitized, washed my hands. Alright, so just applied a few pumps, a few dots over my face, and I still have product on my hand. So I'm just gonna stipple the product in. So far, the coverage I would say is definitely medium. I'm not getting a full coverage. It's not covering up everything like 100%. I could still see some of my scarring peeking through and some redness where I have those scarring, where I have the scarring. The finish is like a nice, it's definitely luminous and dewy. It doesn't seem matte or have any matte properties in it at all. And I'm just stippling it and really pressing the product into the skin. And I still have quite a lot of product. So let's definitely see how that builds up and see if we can achieve full coverage with this. So I do have like a little blemish here. It's definitely covering it up slightly, but it's not completely getting rid of my blemish. I wish it would. I'm really not using that much product on the forehead because I really have like an even skin tone, basically above my eyebrows, below. I've got some skin issues. Okay, so just using like basically one layer. I will say it looks pretty good. It's a nice natural light coverage. This is like, you could probably just, you know, finish your makeup routine and it's still gonna look flawless after. But I'm just gonna use whatever's left on my hand to cover up like my problem areas and perhaps some scarring. I will say that I noted that in the Casey Holmes video that I was talking about, she did mix the foundation, the CC cream with her Dior Backstage foundation. So she did look like she had a little bit more full coverage in that video. I would say if you have like a pretty even skin tone and you don't have a lot of blemishes, this right here, just this application, you would be good. You could apply the rest of your makeup and it will look really good. I do really enjoy this. I like the finish that it's giving me. It looks very natural, doesn't look cakey, and the color matches me perfect. I think it matches my neck perfectly. What I'm gonna do is apply concealer to my blemishes, just where on my cheeks, which is like my problem area. And then I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and back on camera and give you guys like my initial thoughts and tell you how I feel about the cream, like the CC cream under my makeup. So see you in a little bit. Hey guys, so I'm back with the completed makeup look. I really love the way my makeup came out today. I think in general I just had a lot more time and I was very patient while I was doing my makeup. But I do want to give you like a first impression and tell you how I feel about the CC cream and what my thoughts are. So first off, all of the products laid perfectly on top of the CC cream. So I did put some concealer where I have like some scarring or some redness that laid perfectly on top. It mixed well with the CC cream. Then when I put my powder foundation to set my face and then bronze and put my blush on, it applied really nicely. Everything just laid nicely on top of it. It doesn't emphasize my pores. My texture looks really good. I mentioned the product does have a bunch of skincare benefits, so that's something to think about if you're looking for a good CC cream or foundation, like a product that does it all. So I would say I've had the makeup on for about like 10 minutes and like the full face of makeup for about 10 minutes. I really do like the way my skin looks. It feels lightweight. I don't feel like I have a ton of makeup on my face. By the way, if you're staring at my glow and you're wondering what it is, stay tuned for a Fenty Beauty review on her new collection. I just filmed that. And I'm also filming a skincare essentials video. That one is probably gonna be up before the Fenty Beauty, or actually before this. We'll see, I don't know. But overall, I would say I really do like this product. It's lightweight. It has anti-aging properties as well as protects your skin from the sun. And the color matches perfectly. I would say medium is a good match for me. I can always use a lighter foundation once, I don't really have a tan right now, but if I do get lighter or more pale throughout the fall and the winter months, I could definitely mix in a lighter foundation to lighten this up. But I would say I am very impressed. I do like the way this CC cream looks on my skin. Good job, It Cosmetics.